Hello friends, how are you? So friends, what if you can remove background and make your image HD in just one click? Now let's see how to do it step by step. So friends, first I open Chrome. Now I search for Pixel Cut. Now I open the Pixel Cut website. Here you can see different options. There is home, create, edit and many other tools. Now I go to the home section. Here you can see multiple AI tools like remove background, prompt to edit, upscale generative fill and AI background. Now I will select the background remover. Now I upload my image from my computer. Here you can change the background. You can select any background from here or you can upload your own background. But I want a clean background, so I will select a white background. Now I go to the upscale option. Here you can see different options, but I will use fast options. Now I click on upscale. You can see the before and after. Now the image looks more clear and sharp. So friends, this is very powerful AI tool. You can explore more features and learn easily. So friends, you can see how easy it is to remove background and improve image quality. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more AI tools. See you in the next video with a new topic. Take care and thank you.